Let's continue with the Sessions section of M7 Metrics. This is where you organize your trades based on different trading sessions or times. To access the Sessions section, head over to Settings and click on Sessions. Here, you'll find a powerful tool to categorize your trades based on specific trading sessions or times. If you are familiar with my teachings, you know the significance of dividing your trading day into sessions. The DR-IDR intraday cycle is defined by 3 sessions. The aftermarket defining range session or short ADR, which starts at 7:30 p.m. and finishes at 2 a.m. New York time. The overnight defining range session or short ODR, which starts at 3 a.m. and finishes at 8:30 a.m. New York time. And the peak of trading activity, the regular defining range session or short RDR, starting at 9:30 a.m. and finishing at 4 p.m. New York time. Creating sessions helps you track your performance and analyze which session you perform the best in. Let's create one together now. Simply click on the plus button and input the session name. Let's use the RDR session as an example and set the time window from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York local time. Click Create Session and it will be listed in your sessions list. If you're only trading a specific time window within the RDR session, let's say the last hour, then you can name it RDR Session Power Hour, for example, and input 3 p.m. until 4 p.m. as its time window. Trading a different strategy? No problem at all. Just customize the session name and time window accordingly. You can create as many as you need. Time is a crucial factor in trading, and M7 Metrics makes it easy to track and analyze this essential data point. Remember, effective session categorization can provide valuable insights into your trading performance based on time. Keep exploring and refining your strategy.